Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, fans are coming for Umakadzi. I'm starting to feel sorry for her. And she doesn't even respond. Kesan, I'm not sure if she has seen the comments or not, but I'm thinking that she has seen the comments on Instagram because they are coming for her on her original account, not on somebody else's account. So this is the dress that she wore to the Durban July, and fans are just so not happy. There are comments like, "Oh Makatsi, why does your dress have hips? Makatsi, your dress is giving Abu Mama Bomtandazo." People are just so inconsiderate, guys. We are still celebrating her for winning the BET Awards, Just be kind and keep your comments to yourself. But people were just coming for her. The dress, guys, the dress is not a 10, but it's really not that bad, It's really, really not that bad. People were just coming for her. Hey, and then someone also had a comment and said that she doesn't have money because she owes SARS. Mara, guys, just check this comment. I saw this coming when I hear SARS scandals. So basically they're saying that she was on low budget, but she still wanted to go to the to Durban July, And guys, people are just so mean. People are now using that situation to just, I don't know, to just they're using her situation against her because now she shared Guti, she borrowed money from Mashonisa because she owes SARS. She was sharing that as a testimony that yes, she borrowed money from Umashonisa, but it paid off because she ended up winning the BET award. But now people are just using that against her. So what if she was on low budget, guys? What if she was on low budget? And then as some people are judging her, but now they are they are on low budget. Guys, times are hard. We are all on low budget these days. Times are hard, People think just because you're a celebrity, then everything is just always in order. Sure. And then others were saying, "No, Chomi, we will try again next year. Your stylist really failed you. Asiko happy country." Guys, but just check this dress. Okay, maybe they didn't have to do the hips and all, but maybe it was not tailor-made. Maybe she bought it, and then it was already made with those hips. So what was she supposed to do? Her makeup is on fire. The person who did the makeup did the things, and I like that it also matches with the dress. Yes, the dress does have those hips, but it's not that bad, guys. It's really not that bad. How